guys, so this is our third day here in Sri Lanka. So umalis na kami doon sa Nuwara Eliya. We're on our way now to Bentota. So dun yung may mga beach. So yes, this is our third day and medyo maulan pa rin pero okay na. So update ko kayo pag nandun na kami sa Bentota. Guys, nag-stop over kami dito sa mall ng Sri Lanka, going to Bentota. So, ito yung itsura ng mall nila. Medyo mainit yung weather dito, guys, kahit hindi umuulan. Pero ang alinsangan, like, ang humid ng feeling. So, ayan, nag-order kami ng KFC. Gusto kong itry yung KFC ng So, ayun, nag-order kami ng KFC kasi gusto kong itry. Pero yung KFC dito, wala silang white rice, biryani lang. So, ayun, kaya gusto ko siyang itry. So, let's see. Though, masarap naman yung biryani. Hindi lang ako fan ng spicy. So, ayun guys, after neto, back to the road na kami going to Bentota. So, ayun guys, after neto, back to the road na kami going to Bentota. Then, i-update ko kayo pag nandun na kami. So, 2 hours na lang daw, nandun na kami. So, yeah. Ayan, may araw dito guys. Pero ang alinsangan lang talaga. So, yeah, be right back again. Again guys, I will update you once we get there in Bentota. Kain lang ako. See you! Guys, nandito na kami sa Bentota. So, yeah. Ito yung first stop namin. So, kailangan mo nang bumili ng ticket. So, now guys, nandito kami sa Turtle Project Bentota. So, makakakita tayo ngayon ng mga turtles! Here in Sea Turtle Project Bentota, Sri Lanka.
Turtle lay the eggs on the beach at night time. People dig it there. We buy it. 1 egg 50 rupees. The eggs under the berry, half meter deep, 48 days come baby after the water tank. You see, Madam, Sri Lanka 5 different kind of turtle. The green, olive ridley, hawksbill, loghead and leatherback turtle. The weight of the gram is eggs. The 75 grams is the leatherback turtle, very biggest, 2 meters, other one 1.5 meters. Normally one mother 120, 150 eggs one night, once a year one time. Nature naturally, 1000 baby turtle back to the sea, only 1 or 2 survival chance. I protect the turtle conservation project. Every day come baby, every day back to the sea. You see, Madam, baby turtle.
Wow!
You hold it, Madam. Not bite.
I'm scared. I'm scared. guys. And yung benta daw neto mapupunta sa mga turtles. So, ayan siya. So, that's the turtle tour experience, guys. So, nakita nyo naman yung mga cute na turtles. And yun, guys, napunta na kami ngayon sa beach. Then, i-update ko kayo kapag nandun na kami. So, yeah, right back. So, guys, we're here now in Amal Villa Seafood Restaurant. So, kakain kami ng seafood since nag-crave ako sa seafood. So, ito yung restaurant. And may magandang view daw dito kasi beach view daw to. So, let's see. Let's go! So guys, andito na kami sa may beach area. Tignan nyo naman kung gaano kaganda yung beach. Yan. Pero ang lakas ng alon kaya wala daw nagsiswimming kasi yung weather dito hindi ganun kaganda. Kaya ganyan yung itsura ng beach nila. Medyo maputik and malakas yung alon. But my God! See guys? Tapos dito yung dine-in nila. Kung gusto nyo kumain sa may tapat ng beach, pwede na dyan mag-dine-in pag kumain kayo dito sa Amal Villa. So yeah, it's really amazing guys. Refreshing beach air. So guys, I'm here now in our third hotel, which is the Pandanus Beach Hotel and Resort. So grabe guys, ito yung pinaka nagustuhan kong hotel sa lahat ng pinagstayhan namin. So itutour ko kayo ngayon dito sa room ko. And oh my God, this is really amazing view guys. So this is the entrance guys. So dito muna tayo sa bathroom. See guys, ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko sa lahat, yung jacuzzi nila. See? Grabe. Dito ako na-excite. Tignan nyo naman kung gaano kaganda. And dito, yung shower area. And then the other side is the toilet. Yan. Tapos dito, yan. Hand washing area. Yan. So, next, let's go to the bedroom. So, gustong-gusto ko rin siya, guys. Tignan nyo naman kung gaano kaganda yan. I hope may katabi ako, no? Pero mag-isa lang ako. Kasi, ang ganda nung bed. So amazing. Then, yung interior design nila, ang ganda. Yan. Then, ito yung pinaka-gusto ko sa lahat, guys, which is yung balcony view ko. So, hindi ko pa siya mapakita sa inyo kasi madilim. Pero yung harap ko is beach. Beach siya, guys. Sige, buksan natin para marinig nyo yung wave. See? Rinig nyo? Yan. So, may hagdan pa baba going there. So, beach yan, guys. Madilim lang kasi gabi na dito, kaya hindi ko mapakita. Pero tomorrow, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung balcony view ko na maliwanag. Yan. So, yeah. That's my room for tonight. And it's my day 3 here in Sri Lanka. And it's really amazing. Good morning guys, kagigising ko lang. So ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo yung itsura ng view ng balcony ko sa morning. So grabe guys, sobrang ganda. So ayan yung view ng balcony ko guys. Beach view, grabe, sobrang refreshing. Pag-gising mo sa umaga, ganito yung view mo. See how amazing is that guys? Wow. umulan yata guys, baha dito. My God, so amazing. So guys, ito yung view ng balcony ko. Diba? Sobrang ganda guys. Masarap gumising pag ganyan yung view mo. As in, sobrang refreshing. Hindi lang ganun kaganda yung panahon ngayon, kaya makulimlim. Kaya bawal din mag-swimming dito at this time. So, sa pool lang kami allowed. Yeah, so ayun guys, sa pool lang kami allowed mag-swimming ngayon kasi delikado daw pag nag-swimming sa beach ngayon. Kaya, ayun. Pero, yeah, kahit ako natatakot din ako mag-swimming kung ganyan kalakas yung alon. Kaya, walang kayong makikitang taong nagsiswimming at this time.